Hey, Kelly Ackley with the Ackley Real Estate Group, powered by Elevate Real Estate Brokers. Wanted to tell you about something exciting, and I've talked about it once before, but I can get you, this is for buyers, I can get you money to do a remodel. Not sure if you've ever heard of something called an FHA 203K loan. Sounds like a lot of letters and numbers involved, but I've done them, I'm experienced at them. These are Fannie Mae backed loans where the bank is not only going to give you money for the house to purchase it, they're also going to give you money to take care of things that would keep it from passing inspection, such as 4-point issues, which again are plumbing, roof, electric, and AC. There's also something new. It's called Home Style, and it is a regular conventional loan product. It is through one of my favorite lenders, so call me and get the details on that, and I'll give it to you. But this Home Style loan allows you to get the home, wrap that into the mortgage, as well as the repairs. But now these are not just 4-point issues. You can put in a pool, you can put in windows, you can do a roof, you can put in flooring, you can put in a new kitchen, and the limits are way higher. FHA 203K is for owner occupants only. So if you are going to live in that house, it's going to be your primary residence, you can do it. That's it though. No investors, no second home, anything like that. This home style conventional product, you can use it if you are a second home buyer. Also, if you are an investor. So I mean, that just blows things out of the water. You get to wrap the loan into one neat, nice package. You're paying one closing cost, you're paying interest on just that loan, you're not having to pay a higher interest rate because you've had to go get a home equity line or a separate loan, whatever it is, it's all wrapped into your original mortgage. So super exciting. If you are interested, or it sounds like something you're interested in, give me a call, 727-515-6504, or you can comment down here below. Thanks, bye.